Now going to question 23, we always start with the prompt, and here it's asking us for a transition. And for transitions, you want to invent your own word before looking at the answer choices. This forces you to better understand what you're reading. So let's start. A firefly uses specialized muscles to draw oxygen into its lower abdomen through narrow tubes, triggering a chemical reaction, whereby the oxygen combines with chemicals in the firefly's abdomen to produce a glow. When the firefly stops drawing in oxygen, the reaction and the glow cease. Now, for this particular situation, I can see a few different possible words going in there. I can see next, because we're hearing the next thing that happens. I can see therefore, because if this reaction causes the glow, therefore, not having the reaction means there won't be a glow. And I can also see a however, because if this reaction causes the glow, we can say however. When there's not a reaction, there's not a glow. So there may be at least 3 ways to see this, and let's see which of them are being offered to us in the answers. Well, we know the second part is not an example of the first part, so we can get rid of A there. By contrast, kind of fits with the however, so we'll leave it for later. Specifically doesn't really work here because the purple part is not getting more specific on the blue part. It's giving us a whole other thing that happens. And in conclusion doesn't really work because we're not giving a whole long drawn out argument or even a story that we need to conclude on in the end. So the only answer that did work here was B.